Hello guys, so in this video I will walk you through using ZoneSense on Suunto watches to track your intensity zones and improve your workouts. It's a super useful tool and here's why. How to use ZoneSense in Suunto smartwatches. Wear your heart rate belt. Start by putting on your Suunto heart rate belt. It's required for ZoneSense to work. Choose your sport mode. Pick the sport mode that matches your activity like running or cycling. Enabling ZoneSense. Get your sport mode settings, select Suunto Plus and turn on ZoneSense. You only have to do this once per sport mode. Get real-time feedback. ZoneSense tracks your intensity live, helping you stay in your optimal training zone. Adjust your training on the go. The live data is great for tweaking your pace, intensity, or effort during your workouts. Post-workout insight. After your session, use the Suunto app to dive into detailed stats and performance insight. Why it's great? ZoneSense makes training smarter and more efficient. It's like having a coach on your wrist, ensuring you stay on track during workouts and hit your fitness goals faster. Let me know in the comments if you have tried ZoneSense and how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews. Stay connected.